Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to end a car lease early. In this video, I'll be going over 4 possibilities for you ending a car lease early. Now, I wouldn't recommend ending a car lease early, but if you have to do it, you should try to utilize one of these 4 ways. Let's get right to it. The first way to end a car lease early is to bring the vehicle back to the dealership. Now, this should be your last resort, simply because it's oftentimes the most expensive way to end a car lease early. If you bring a vehicle back to the dealership, the leasing place that you lease the car from, then what's probably going to happen is you're going to incur a lot of penalties, financial penalties, and you're also probably going to have to make some additional payments. Meaning, if you're going to end the lease now, you might have to make 6 more months worth of payments, plus, a lot of money in penalties. So with that being said, this should be a last resort, but if you have to just get rid of the car and you don't mind paying extra money, you just want to get it off your hands and you don't mind paying penalties and extra payments, then just try bringing it back to the car dealership and see what the expenses, the added expenses will be. The second way to end a car lease early is you want to trade it in for another vehicle at the dealership. Now, this is often the second most expensive way, simply because you're still bringing new business to the dealership. So if you go to the dealership and you say, listen, I want to end the lease on this car right now, but I'm willing to lease a new car from you or purchase a new car from you, then they might let you get away with only paying smaller penalties than the first option, because you're still making them some profit. So you're still making them profit on your next lease or your next purchase from the dealership. So you might want to bring the car back to the dealership and just say, I want to end this lease with this car, but I want a different car from this dealership. Oftentimes, dealerships will sort of cut you a deal on ending the lease early if you're willing to get a new car from them, because you're still looking after their business and their interests, okay? The third way that you can end the lease early is to find someone to take over the lease. Now, if you're making lease payments and you can find someone that's willing to take over the lease, then you can probably get out of the lease early. Now, let me explain this. Let's say I'm leasing a car and I put down, for the sake of argument, $5,000 on that car, and my lease payments are $500 a month. I can go to someone and say, listen, if you're willing to take over my lease, you're going to get this car for a lease of $500 a month, and I put the $5,000 as a down payment, and you don't have to worry about that. So if you give someone an incentive to take over the lease, it's going to be easier than if you say, take over the lease with my exact terms. I put $5,000 down, you have to give me $5,000 to take over the lease to recuperate my down payment. You're not going to find someone like that, because they can just go to the dealership and do the same thing. You have to give them some sort of incentive to take over the lease. And last but not least, the fourth way to end a lease early is to actually purchase the vehicle from the leasing company. So let's say you're leasing this car, you really like the car, you love the car, okay? You can go to the leasing company and say, listen, I'm willing to purchase the car. Now, what a lot of leasing companies will do is they'll allow you to get the buyback price. So the price that you would have paid once the lease is done to actually purchase the car, plus any leasing payments that you have remaining. So they'll take the price, basically, of what you would have paid until your lease is over, and then also the buyback of the car, and they'll allow you to buy the car for that. Maybe they'll give you a small deal, but maybe not. So the point is that these are 4 ways to end a car lease early. They're all possibilities. Some might be available to you and others might not. But with that being said, if you have to end a car lease early, I wouldn't recommend doing it. But if you have to, you should try and utilize any of these 4 ways, the one that works best for you. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any experiences with ending a car lease early in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.